Hi guys, I'm going to be doing.
You're gonna do it. Go ahead. I'll leave it.
I'm going to be doing. No, thank you. No joke.
You see it better.
Hi guys, I'm going to be doing a Shopkins challenge, and I'm going to pick out Shopkins, and I hope you guys like it. And please click like to below. And forgot what I'm supposed to call it. This is my first day of working. Well, not technically my first day, but I never did a video and put it on there. But I have. But this is like my third time or my fourth time. I don't know. Just I hope you like it. I'm going to be checking out Shopkins. Oh, no, this. I know this one. Yeah. Wait, let me see what this name is. This is Blue Ann. And she is a common. Okay, that was our first one.
It has been quite a challenge.
So right at the end. And you can see I have this. Because it was easy. But in the Shopkins. You want to go? This is... Wait, I think I know who this is. No, I don't. Let's read the name. What is? This is one of a bakery, and this is Toasty Bread. Toasty Bread. Okay, so toasty is. Okay, let's put that there. Let's go next. Oh, yay! It's Nugug. She's a... Wait. She is...
Now we've got an opportunity here with Gifting Fun to do something together.
A comet, and
it's going great.
So
The
cute.
guy wants to buy everything.
That's amazing.
Wait, she's on the screen.
I don't know about that.
Nope. What's her name?
We're going to take baby steps
The purple one.
before we leave.
See on the screen?
I know concierge wants you into Tampa. But it's not.
Oh, sorry, don't forget. You fell over.
So, right
This
now,
is
we're going to keep
one
the
more.
status quo.
One more
and
wedge.
Continue to live with my dad.
What?
Let's make
One
some
more
boxes.
wedge. Put her there.
And kind of twist right in. Leave my license with you. If I
What's her name? See right there?
Scony.
I miss my mom and my sisters. He doesn't appreciate that.
This is Scony, and she is...
My name is Danielle.
This
I'm a mother of
is...
4 that I live in Ohio.
And
Last year, Muhammad
Comet.
arrived from
This
Tunisia
one.
on a
See?
fiancé visa.
this is a comet.
I now pronounce
We're mostly getting comments. Mostly. No,
Stop recording because you're wasting a lot of tape.
I'm sorry. Okay, that goes in the
Memory
book.
in me.
That's Wild Carrot. I know his name. He's wild. Sorry guys, this is for a video. I'm sorry, it's just a little quick. I only taped it for this much.
he was
Look at
coming back.
see my tiny finger. I'm gonna poke it in. Poke it in. Poke my pencil in. Ow, 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 ow. Get me in there. It's like a ring. And I'll see you in my next video. Love you, my fans.